All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to go through website in a day, and I'm here with Betty. We're putting together her website in the X theme. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what her basic install, nothing really edited, looks like. Very plain, nothing worth remembering. So we're going to fix that. So to edit the pages, she is using Visual Composer. I'm just going to go ahead and click Edit with Visual Composer. This came packaged with it, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So if you were to purchase X theme, it comes with this point and click builder.
There's also another one called Cornerstone.
Yes, I like Cornerstone. I have never used Visual Composer. This is a first time for me, so learning curve here. It is doable still within a day without knowing how to use something. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Column, edit column. Delete. Okay, how do we edit? Oh, it comes with templates.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty handy. Okay, so if you're using Visual Composer, you can load in a template that is pre-made by the company and just edit the text out. Do we have any videos to put in your website?
Not yet.
Okay, so we won't use one of those. Articles with headings. I'm not sure which one would be good for displaying your features. Maybe that one that's got 3 features in the middle.
Yeah, I think that would work because the social, digital.
Template added to the page. Okay. Good. We can close it now. It's probably down here. Yep. Excuse me. Got like something in my throat. Okay. So let's take marketing solutions. I click. Come on, unclick. Let's edit the text block. Okay, so you can do fade animations and all kinds of stuff with this. Fly-ins with the text. That's kind of cool. Okay. I accidentally highlighted. There we go. Man. So I wonder if there's a way to put a full width template. Do you know how to do that with this yet?
That would be
Page settings? No. New element, Visual Composer. Okay, so it pops open the how-to. Oh, you can buy this separate for $34 to use on your own theme. That's pretty cool.
if you go back to the dashboard.
The WordPress dashboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then on that page.
That's how Xtheme does it. It's not in the settings.
Like I said, unless you use Cornerstone, I think. I'm not sure why Cornerstone wasn't showing.
Edit with Cornerstone. I have this one. Okay. So we're going to have two. Let's take a look at how Cornerstone works versus Visual Composer. And decide which one we want to work with. This is the one I like. So we have templates also. So theme co-pages, about, available positions. I guess that's like jobs. Yeah. Menu, pricing plans, and sales page. And we have colors. standard. Okay. That's pretty useful. What does this button do? Drag and drop elements. So it looks like it took away your current page and put its own stuff in here.
Yeah.
So we lose the Visual Composer stuff we did if we switch to Cornerstone. So it's one or the other, not both. Let's put a block grid in here. Maybe. It's okay. The layouts pane. All right, so we need a layout. Add a section first. So we'll call section 1 the header. So every good page needs a couple things. So in the head section, you want your company name, logo, prominent, obvious, and of course your menu, which we need to fix this. It looks weird. And then you're going to have a header, a subhead, and then an image in your main part. So here's row 1. Let's go ahead and put an element in there. We want to do also a call to action in this as well. So where's text? Did I bypass it already? Call out. Oh, we put columns in. Okay. Creative call to action. Custom headline. Let's see what that does. Do we have a way to edit that? No. Okay. So you click it here and you edit over here in the sidebar. And if you have a lot to type, you can expand it, make it full page. But we're not typing a whole lot in the header, so where's the unexpand button? Now I broke it. That thing out of the way. Escape makes you exit back to regular screen. Okay. So we want this to be H1. It's the largest heading on the page. Looks like heading 1. Okay, so heading level is part of search engine optimization. Heading 1 is like you're making a outline for a paper. Heading 1 is your first level. Heading 2 is the sub level. Heading 3 is the sub level of heading 2, and so on. It's so that the Google knows how to read your page. Now, looks like is how it's going to display on the page. Google's not going to look at it that way, but people looking at your page do. So if you don't want huge text with a certain font type, but it is a heading 1 for Google, you can change it to look like something else. Make it smaller. So that's a really cool feature that this does. You can do accents. Nothing's loading. I guess that doesn't matter for us.
It had a line.
I'm not seeing change.
Yep.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
It's just hard to see.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of neat. I like that. Let's leave it. We can align it centered. And then it has the accent on either side. I think that looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go add another row. Go put an element in here. Let's edit this first. We're going to call this, let's look at this, marketing solutions. That's not a bold enough headline. We want to draw attention to what you do, which is mobile marketing. Then we want to add text underneath, or maybe an image.
I was thinking even a slider. I've got
be
Revolution
good.
and Siliqui or whatever that is.
Okay.
Got access to both of those.
Let's see if there's a built-in one. We have image. I like that they do pricing tables. Those always look nice.
Mm-hmm.
Revolution slider. Perfect. Now, we don't have a slider set up yet, so it's going to give us this error. We can fix that. Oh, we need to go. Back to the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard, not the editor. And go to Revolution slider. And it says no sliders found, so we need to make one. Looks like it updated. Okay. Let's just go with new slider and make our own. Are you going to be blogging? Like a weekly blog post?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay, so we won't do that. Oh wow, this does a lot. Revolution slider is not the one I like, usually. I have Master slider. It came with the ocean theme that I had worked with for a photographer.
Mm.
And that's the one I've been sticking to because it has some pretty cool features too. But this is nice. It looks a lot similar. It looks pretty similar. Okay, so a hero scene. Those are the ones that I use on Master Slider. They are the full width of the screen, the full page.
Okay.
So the whole screen will show up. Or you can do a wide preset full width instead of the full screen full width. So we'll do wide full width. Okay, good. It does mobile settings too. We don't have to disable the slider on mobile. Oh, I like that they do a notebook size. That's excellent. Okay, so we're going to leave all these settings alone. Usually they work fine right out of the box. You don't have to edit anything. Excuse me. So let's save the settings. Now we want to add slides. So we're going to go to the slide editor.
It's showing field title should not be empty.
Oh, where's the, probably this.
It went away as soon as you clicked it. So probably.
All right, so slide name, we'll call this the home page slider. Home. Slider alias, we'll just call it home. And then here's the short code to use it, but we have a built-in thing in Cornerstone, so we can ignore that. Let's go down to the bottom. Oh, there's a save button right here on the side. Excellent. I like that. I might go back to using this. This is nice. I might have to upgrade my membership again to have the updates. All right, so we'll click edit on this one. Need to add some slides. Add bulk slides. Huh. So we want a main background image. Let's go to my stock photos that I've downloaded. We're not necessarily going for a super feminine design. But that one is the one we used for your Facebook page, so it matches. Let's stick with that. Come on. Insert. Here's what it's going to look like. So parallax is a fun little feature that when you scroll the page, it looks like the image stays in place, but the next section starts to overlap it and cover it. I like playing with that. So if we set parallax level 1, hit play and see what it does. Okay, so we don't need to play it yet. I don't know what Ken Burns is. Pan zoom. Okay, let's go back to Cornerstone and see if we can. Yahoo, that's cute. Oh, we can add tabs. This is fancy. I like this thing. This lets you build a pretty comprehensive website. I like this. So we don't have this set yet. We saved it. Let's get out of the editor.
They're looking at making Cornerstone a standalone.
Are they? That'd be awesome. I thought it was a standalone because it installed like a plugin.
No, it came with a theme for sure. That was one of their main features with the X theme.
Why did I go to plugins? I meant to hit pages. Yeah, Cornerstone, it's a plugin right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try to install it on my website and see if it works with Divi.
Good luck. They don't as far as I know, they're in talks of having it available possibly next year.
That'd be cool. Okay, so it's Cornerstone. And if we go view the page, okay, we need to change the alias on the page. That's what the problem is. I need to edit this. Home. Save. Have fun. Refresh. Yay. Nope, that didn't do anything. Okay, so figuring this out is harder than I thought.
No, I don't feel so bad.
So, oh, here's how we edit the columns, rows, and sections. Right here, this little breadcrumb thing up here. Nifty. I should have watched that video.
I didn't get to last night either, or I would have probably been better help. Yeah, you can see right from there what it's going to look like on the
Just
different.
delete it. Yep, delete it. Oh, counters. Where is Revolution Slider?
If you go back to the dashboard, there's if you go to add-ons,
Is
is
it
that
gonna load?
Siliquay or whatever it is.
I think it loaded something. Maybe.
Try to.
We also have slider built in, so we can always jump to that one. Make our own.
Here it is.
Let's hit save. See if it updates here. So we have a blank slider. What the heck did I do wrong?
It was on, if you go back to that other tab that you were at.
This one?
Yeah, Slider Revolution is on in the, yeah.
I also have it right here already. Okay, so we got slide 1, static global layers. So this is turning into a video of me working with things I've never used before. Why is it not showing? Let's delete that slide. Stop giving me a blank slide. How do I put a background? Okay, main background. Insert. Okay, we got the settings through here. Oh, you can search engine optimize it. Nice. I just want to know how this thing works. Let's see. Hit roof. Okay, we got an image in there. Good. So it is working. How do we make this page full width? Because I hate the box lookout. That has to be. Let's get rid of Visual Composer. X settings. Background images. Okay, let's go spiffy. I love that. Customizer. Come on. Oh, okay. Perfect. This is what I was looking for. So which one are you using? Stack Integrity?
I don't remember. Probably Integrity. Because it was going to be either Integrity.
Oh, this looks nice. Icon. I like the menu.
Yeah, actually, that's not too bad.
Ethos.
I didn't like it the way that was the other way.
I'm not a fan. It's not spaced right. Let's go with icon. Icon looks slick. Okay. Full width. Site max width PX. Content layout full width. Okay, so this looks like it might be the logo area. Is there a place? What size? Block demo. We need to delete these demos.
Yeah, those were templates that I downloaded in to customize the site, and that didn't work.
So it looks like heading fonts. Look. Okay, so font weight is like how thick the lines for the font are. So ultra light is super thin like that. Book is kind of, I think book looks nice. If we go regular, probably a bit heavier. So as you go down this list, it's going to go thicker and thicker. Let's check out ultra bold. Yeah, it's too heavy. Let's go with book. Book is nice. Headings, letter spacing. Let's leave it at 0. This takes a minute to upload. Let's put it at 1. I think 1 looks good. The T isn't touching the I anymore. We can make them capital letters. I love these visual editors. Do you like it capitalized?
Sure. I didn't even realize that the T was touching the I earlier.
Yeah, I noticed those little things.
Well, usually I do, but I was...
Body font, we don't have any body. Yeah, we do. We have body text here. That color looks nice. It's easy on the eyes.
Actually, I was thinking about taking that out of the footer.
I'm just using it to see what the text looks like right now.
Okay.
Do you like it a little lighter like that or back to regular?
Probably regular.
Okay. Site links, are we going with blue instead of red?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let's stick to this color blue because it's nice. And it's easy. We can just grab it right there. Much better.
Yeah.
Red was kind of aggressive. Starting to come together nicely. So we need to make some slider images. I'll do that in Photoshop after we get everything put together in here. I just want to have it ready. Buttons. We don't have any buttons listed yet. So the header, when we scroll, it stays where it is right now. We can do it static to the top. That didn't change anything. Fixed top. Oh, it's not changing. I guess this theme doesn't let it change. We'll just leave it. Layouts inline. What if we do stacked? I wonder what that changes. It didn't really change anything. Okay, logo bar top spacing is at 15 right now. Let's do something crazy just so I can see what it looks like. It didn't change anything.
Yeah, I didn't see anything.
This menu. Nav bar top height 90. Let's do 190 and see what changes. So it got huge. Let's leave that back to 90. So if you have a ton of links, you would change the size of that, I guess. We only have one line. Let's put this at 15. I'm wondering, here we go, upload your logo. We have one in here already. Okay, that's huge. How do we fix that? Logo width.
That didn't work.
I just wanted to shrink it down so it was enormous. I wonder if we can put it right here. Alignment Navbar logo alignment 22, 37. What's the top bar? It says off right now. Oh, I like that. Let's leave that. So what's your telephone number? What are we putting here?
719-347-1436.
Oops, 1436. All right, mail to Betty at Now Media Solutions.
Yes.
So, yeah, I spelled that right. Okay. Update, please.
Yeah, because I don't know if the info or the admin is working. Later down the road, I'll make sure that it's generic.
Breadcrumbs off. Okay, we're getting there. What is fixed left?
Oh, sorry.
I don't know what these do because this theme doesn't change when I do them. I want to know what they do. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave it. Save. Let's go back.
So eventually we need to take home off, don't we?
Yes, I'm going to figure that out.
Okay.
It might just be something I have to edit in the template.
Okay.
All right, Facebook you have put in there. Twitter is Now Media S.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. LinkedIn, good. We're not on YouTube yet. Pinterest, do you have a holder? Do you have a profile yet?
Personal one, but I want to make it a company one. I haven't done it yet. I haven't done any of the others yet either.
All right, so we'll just go back.
So I have played with it. I just haven't been in there enough to do much.
Okay, so site icons we need to make for you.
I've got the favicon. I want to email. Well, how do you want to get it?
Just upload it to your site and I'll grab it from the media area. Okay, while she's uploading that, we'll get the media area loaded. And go back to that. What is under custom? Okay, so this is where custom CSS goes. Menus. Here we go. I can take the demo pages off. Rearrange this to be at the top. Come on. Get up there. Okay, I'm just going to rearrange that somewhere else. Where's the other demos? Remove. Do not show for this Wi-Fi. Demo blog, let's remove. I can't. I move this. Come on. All right, this editor is really obnoxious. I'm just going to get out of that one and go to this one. Menus. So let's restructure the main menu. We want to put the home page at the top of the list. Then we want about. Do you have an about page yet?
I don't think so. I think that was one of the demo pages I already deleted.
Okay. Portfolio. You are mostly about mobile marketing, so we'll put that first. Okay. I think we need custom link, hashtag, placeholder, and we're going to call the link services. Save. Refresh the home page. And it should have a nice short menu now. Excellent. I put all of your services under a services tab on the menu so that you just hover services. You see mobile marketing, web design, branding, and then social media marketing.
Actually, there already was an icon in there.
It wasn't listed. It was each one separate.
Oh no!
In the thing.
About in the media.
Okay, let's go back to customize. Back to which one was that under? Site icons. So let's go.
Now I can't delete it.
Don't worry about it.
Got it. Because I know the other one's being used, or it should be.
Okay, which one is it? The NMS favicon?
You'll have to refresh. Yeah.
Hit refresh.
Because that second one is going to be gone. Because it's a duplicate. Okay. So there's that one. Okay.
This one?
That's the one that's should be being used.
Okay. Copy. Oops. Paste. Should pop something up here. There it is. It's kind of hard to read. We might have to.
Well, down the road, I'm going to rebrand the logo. I'll change the logo. So
sounds like a plan. Widgets. Header 1 has a widget. We can do a tag cloud. I just want to see where it is. I don't see it in the header.
Are we back in Cornerstone?
No. Customize.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not putting a login or anything. I guess maybe this is it. This must be it. Yep. That's the header thing that it's going into. So let's move these and make something really cool up here, I guess. So we've got the login. Let's put header space 2. We can put a custom menu. What could we put in the menu?
There's the login for the marketing services, for the message marketing.
We don't have that login created yet, though.
No. Well, not the link anyway. But the link is just the URL.
Let's just put a custom menu for now. So it would be, is this for customer login or agent login?
Either or. Because depending on whatever they...
So customers aren't going to have, they're going to be logging into your website for a member area, right? Is that what we were going for later on down the road?
Yeah, there would be a broker. The merchants or clients would not be logging into the... It would just be
the demo menu for now. Okay, so you have, we'll rename Meta to customer login and then have agent tools over here for your affiliates. Okay.
Customers won't be logging into the back office.
Well, when I install the membership area, it's going to pull either, it'll see you're an administrator going to the back office, or it'll see that you're a customer going to the client area. So they'll use the same form because it's right on this website.
Okay.
And then agent tools will take them to their multi-site.
Okay. That works.
Let's go edit header 1's title. That's better. I have one concern with this. People aren't going to know to click that, I think.
Right.
They'll have to be familiar with the site already. So that'll just be a shortcut for them.
Okay.
We'll have on the home page a sidebar where they can also log in.
Where did that come from? Because I don't remember seeing it before.
This?
Yeah.
It's always been there. It's part of the X theme.
And I'm supposed to be familiar. I've seen it on your site.
I don't even use X theme, but I know what that is because I've used other people's websites on it.
Oh, boy.
Okay, so we have footer widgets. What do we want in the footer?
I had in mind, I don't know now. I was going to keep it. Well, probably just the social.
Do we want to delete marketing for conversions?
Yeah, well, I don't want to delete it, but I don't want it showing there.
Okay, I'll just remove it from the widget area. So you had some services that these guys offer, like property listing. Maybe we should put a rotating slider that gives text information with a small image of different services.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay, so let's put a revolution slider. It's going to be blank for now. Camera on load. I'm guessing post is footer 2. And you said Instagram feed. Do you have Instagram for business?
Not yet.
Are you going to?
Not yet. Probably.
Okay, so we'll put a stream here. Username. We don't have one yet. We'll put mine just for. What the crap is my password?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I log into it once on my phone and that's it. Who remembers that? Is that even my username? I don't even know. It looks like Erin called. She's probably wondering why I'm not there early. It's okay. We will go to that shortly. We got 20 minutes left to get the homepage done. Sure. Oh, I like how that loads. I want this for my website. Is that by Woo Themes? Woo Dojo?
I guess. That's where that.
So there's my ugly Instagram feed. I wonder why it's not showing all the extras. Oh, 5. So let's do 8. Apply. I really want that for my website. Why isn't it in line? That's weird.
I don't know.
Let's go with 74 pixels. It's not loading them in there correctly. What is thick box? I don't know what thick box is. That didn't make a difference. Float images none. Maybe it'll stay in line that way. Not what I wanted.
Yeah, no.
Float images right. No, it breaks the other one. I don't know what's up with that, but let's go with 7.
And watch it do it.
Okay, we'll just stick with 7. We'll have a blank one. So that's pretty cool. We can put that in footer 2. What can we put in footer 1? Slider. We want a new slider.
I can make some images for the different services.
Oh, we could do an Instagram slider this way too. Let's try that out and see if that works better. Slides max. Let's go with 10. Oh, you need an access token. Open new tab. We're gonna have to make you an Instagram account.
Okay. I have Instagram. I just don't have it's for personal though.
Well, you can rebrand it as your business. Instagram's easy to rebrand.
Okay.
Switch accounts. Okay, go ahead and log in. What's your username?
I have no idea. I wish I was kidding. Oh yeah, because I hard reset my phone. I'm not gonna. I think it's.
I can look for you on my app.
I think it's Betty A. NMS.
Search. Yep. I'm not following you, but I am now. Okay. Best guess at your password.
Where'd it go? I think.
Yep.
Cool.
User ID access token. Do I need to hit get token? Let's see what this says. Access token, Instagram user ID. Okay, so there's your user ID. Access token. Let's hit the back button. Aaron is blowing up my phone. Enter your slider alias here. Just call it Instagram. What would be best for this time? Do you want little thumbnails? I think thumbnails would be cool with this one at the bottom. Auto size. Okay. Preview it. See what it looks like. Were you texting Erin so she stopped blowing up my phone?
Yeah.
I'm hitting preview and nothing's happening. Okay. We'll just save. Let's go to customize and see what the Revolution slider looks like.
Oh, I hate that I spell now with NIW.
Yeah.
I always get it. I told her she's been mentioned on YouTube
Several times. If anyone in Colorado needs auto insurance, home insurance, or life insurance, or health insurance, call Erin Gittleman. She has a commercial in our show now. Okay, this isn't working the way I want it to. Footer. Widgets, then footer. Okay. That's the dojo one right here. Footer 1, Revolution slider. Instagram, there it is. Let's see which one looks better.
I don't know that I have any pictures in there.
Oh, maybe that's why it's not loading. No slides found. You have to log in on your phone and turn it to public, your profile.
I probably haven't. I'll have to download it on my phone. I haven't. It's not in here.
Okay, so we'll go back to that. Footer section 3. What kind of widget can we put in here?
The pages, maybe?
No, because we have them across the top. The bundled tabs widget. Are you on Twitter? Will you put your Twitter feed?
But I haven't been on it very much, but yeah.
Let's put your tweets there. I love having the tweets in the bottom footer. What's your Twitter name?
Now Media S.
Now Media S.
Someone got Now Media before I could.
No, Now Media. Follow Now Media S on Twitter. Get mentions. We want replies. They're just going to see us talking on Twitter, probably.
Right.
Just keep talking on Twitter to keep it updating. Okay, so we got some stuff in there. The sliders are not ready yet, so at least we know what's in there. Do you not have any tweets right now?
Yeah, there should be. I just tweeted today. It was one of those pay with a tweet.
I love that pay with a tweet thing on my Facebook, or on Facebook on my website. I have my recipe blog. To see the recipes, you had to like my Facebook page or share a tweet to see the recipe. That's how I grew my recipe blog following.
Well, maybe that's Maybe I'll add that later.
I'll go back to that. We want to get some content in here.
Yeah.
Save, publish. Let's go look at the home page this way. It's starting to look prettier. It's got some color. It's not just black and white.
Yeah, no kidding.
We got
and those
sliders put in. We got to figure out. Okay. So let's go back to Cornerstone. We need to figure out this image size for your sliders.
Yeah, that slider is or that one picture is pretty large compared to the header and the.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Shrink it down. Make a template. That would be okay if it was a section background, like if it were edge to edge and we had text over it, but it's not. Come on, Photoshop. Do not get Windows 10. It is glitchy. Not for web designers. Not for developers. Half my tools don't work and I have to use the desktop and switch back and forth. Not fun. Just avoid Windows 10 until it's absolutely mandatory. In fact, I'm going back to Apple. New. We want width 1200 because that's what we set the max width to your theme as. And let's do 400 tall. Okay, get the grid turned off. Recovered my 30-day challenge thing. What's that? It's opening all my stuff. All my YouTube headers.
Evidently, you have a ton of Facebook friends that are also on Instagram.
There you go. Keep adding. You'll grow your following fast that way. Most of my followers are friends, so I'm not really big on Instagram. It's just kind of like for my friends to keep in touch. Yes. Save this. Get to it later. We'll rename it later. Close that. Yes, we'll save it. That one is already saved. I don't need that. Okay, get rid of that. Let's open. We want free stock photos that we use. We've been using this one. Let's use this one. Paste. What are you doing? Copy. Paste. And let's just good enough. Okay. So slider 1, topic, web design. What do you think
Sure.
for this? Are we using, what font are we using on your website?
We haven't decided. You did the one slider with the rock salt.
Okay, so let's go to typography. We want headers.
That one image that you made yesterday.
Do we have rock salt in here? MLPQ. Rock salt. Excellent. Okay, we need to fix the size of that. We need to edit headers and stuff where it was here. Headers. Well, imagine it should be under typography, but it's not there. Logo font size 38. Logo letter spacing, nav bar. Why is there not a font size here?
I don't know. There should
Crazy.
be.
Okay, that looks a little better. It's still slightly cut off. Stick to that, I guess. Maybe under settings somewhere in the X theme. That looks kind of plain. I think I like the rock salt. Kind of makes it trendy. The rock salt font. What do you think?
I don't know. I was kind of getting used to the other one.
Lato. We can go back to Lato.
Maybe in the middle of the night one time I'll try some while nobody's watching.
So let's go back to Lato font. Uppercase.
Where'd that come from?
Instagram. It's that time of day where the internet's slow again, so I'm gonna have to pick this up after our meeting tonight. I'll just make a part 2. Okay, so we've got the footer and the header done for today, for now. We're going to go to our meeting, and then in our Facebook group, you can find the link for part 2. So to find our Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/TBB WordPress. And I will post the link to part 2 in here. We'll be back in about 2 hours. See you guys in a little while. Okay, stopping.